videos. Just tell me what you want me to clean and I will clean it. Give me some ideas, some pointers. Let me know how you like to clean your house. I just randomly one day today decided to clean my refrigerator. It just had so much old stuff in it. It just looked horrible. It was irritating me so much. So just randomly, one thing led to another, and I ended up cleaning out the fridge. I didn't do a thorough clean of the fridge, but I did throw away some old things and some items that were, kind of almost gone, just taking up space. So that's what this video is, just me randomly cleaning out my refrigerator. in that container. I don't remember cooking it. I don't know what it is. I am legitimately confused. That was not rehearsed confusion. Mind is always thinking about 1,700 different things. So this is me just kind of trying to stay focused, think those thoughts that I'm thinking and go ahead and get it out the way. Still thinking and pondering what I'm going to do next while I'm still doing the first thing, story of my life. Look at the fridge, y'all. It is so organized. I can finally think. I love it. I am so animated. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm just all in my conversation. I am so confused with myself. On one side, I needed the step stool. When I put the dishes on the other side, somehow I can reach it without the step stool. I'm just really baffled. So I have reached the age where I really do find peace in cleaning up. So a lot of times I'm just doing random stuff and it looks like I have no rhyme or reason, but I'm literally just enjoying myself and just going with the flow. I'm having a good conversation, I'm getting things done. And so if you see me just doing random look arounds, that's what it's about. Oh my gosh, girl, what is in this closet? I just keep on going, messing with stuff in this closet, this little pantry. I'm not even doing nothing. I'm just in there looking at stuff. I just really can't. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I'm still working on editing and giving the people what they like, so thank you.